1. General knowledge. 1. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? 8. Vikram Sarabhai. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Homi Bhabha. D. C.V. Raman. Answer B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Though the first battle of Panipat was fought in the year A. 1526, B. 1556, C. 1761, D. 1857. Answer at 1526. Theme. Which Indian state shares the longest border with Bangladesh? A. West Bengal, B. Assam, C. Tripura, D. Meghalaya. Answer at West Bengal. 4. Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna? A. Mother Teresa, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Lata Mangeshkar. Answer B. Indira Gandhi. 5. Hirakud Dam is built on which river? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Mahanadi, D. Brahmaputra. Answer C. Mahanadi. Chair. The headquarters of the United Nations is in A. Geneva, B. Washington DC, C. New York, D. Paris. Answer C. New York. 7. Which Indian state has the largest forest cover? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Odisha. Answer Madhya Pradesh. 8. Who was the first Indian in space? A. Rakesh Sharma, B. Kalpana Chawla, C. Sunita Williams, D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer Rakesh Sharma. No. The G20 Summit 2023 was hosted by which country? A. USA, B. India, C. Australia, D. Japan. Answer B. India. Thus, what is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara, B. Thar, C. Gobi, D. Kalahari. Answer Sahara. Though English language. Yara. Choose the correct synonym for innovative. A. Traditional, B. Creative, C. Common, D. Ordinary. Answer B. Creative. 12. Choose the correct antonym for generous. A. Selfish, B. Kind, C. Giving, D. Thoughtful. Answer selfish. 13. Find the correct indirect speech. She said, I have completed my project. A. She said that she has completed her project. B. She said that she had completed her project. C. She said that she will complete her project. D. She said that she is completing her project. Answer B. She said that she had completed her project. 14. Identify the correctly spelled word. A. Accussion, B. Occasion, C. Occasion, D. Occasion. Answer B. Occasion. 15. Fill in the blank. She is very good dancing. A. On, B. At, C. In, D. Off. Answer B. At. 16. What is the plural of child? A. Childs, B. Childs, C. Children, D. Children's. Answer C. Children. 17. Choose the correct sentence. A. I seen him yesterday, B. I saw him yesterday, C. I seen him yesterday, D. I see him yesterday. Answer B. I saw him yesterday. 18. Identify the correct form of the verb they football every Sunday. A. Plays, B. Played, C. Playing, D. Play. Answer D. Play. 19. Choose the correct preposition. He is interested science. A. On, B. In, C. At, D. With. Answer B. In. 20. What is the meaning of the idiom hit the sack? A. Start working, B. Go to sleep, C. Win a prize, D. Get angry. Answer B. Go to sleep. Theme. Science. 21. What is the atomic number of carbon? A. 6, B. 8, C. 12, D. 14. Answer 6. 22. What is the mere function of the kidneys? A. Produce oxygen, B. Filter blood, C. Control heartbeat, D. Store calcium. Answer B. Filter blood. 23. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer C. Mars. 24. What is the C unit of temperature? A. Kelvin. B. Celsius. C. Fahrenheit. D. Joule. Answer A. Kelvin. 25. What is the chemical symbol for iron? A. Fe. B. R. C. In. D. I. Answer A. Fe. 26. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer C. Vitamin C. 27. What is the name of the process by which plants make their food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Digestion. D. Fermentation. Answer B. Photosynthesis. 28. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Carbon dioxide. 29. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. D. Heart. Answer B. Pancreas. 30. What type of energy is produced by a moving car? A. Chemical. B. Kinetic. C. Potential. D. Thermal. Answer B. Kinetic.